Hey everyone, Mary Kate here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Google post for your Google business profile. Posts are a great way to get your GBP noticed by customers, and including an image or video on your post is a great way to get more clicks. Since I don't already have an image or video, I'm going to start out in Canva. Canva is a free editing tool where I can quickly make an image for my new post. Once you've created a free account, click Create in the top left corner. Choose Custom Size on the left, enter 1200 for width and 900 for height, and then click New Design. In the top left search bar, type in discount and hit enter. This will show you all the Canva templates for promotional discounts. Scroll through to find the one that you like best. I'm going to go with this one here. Next, all we need to do is edit it how we want. Change the text to match the facility and discount, add logos or images that you might have on your computer that you want to use. You can even adjust the colors as I'm doing, or you can leave most of it as is and just change the text. When you finish changing things as needed, it's time to download the image. Click Share in the top right corner, then click Download. Make sure the file type says PNG, and then click the purple download button. Now that you have your image or video, it's time to make your post. I'll show you how to make a Google post quickly and easily. There are multiple types, but they all follow the same steps. First, make sure that you're signed into your Google account that manages your business profile. Then search for your business on Google. If that doesn't work, you can go to business.google.com and find the profile from there. You should see a screen that looks like this. We start a post by clicking the Post button. The next window that pops up will have a blue Add Post button, and you'll click that. Next, select what type of post that you're wanting to make. Mine is an offer post. Fill out all the fields and add your video or image on the right. I'll skip ahead so you don't need to watch me fill this out. Down here at the bottom, you can add a link or a button. For updates and events, it's a button. For offer posts like this one, you can choose to add booking links or coupon codes. If you want to include a phone number, you must include it only as a call button or an update or event post. It's super important to note that you cannot put a phone number in the image or the text. Once everything is filled in and you have your video or image attached, go ahead and click the blue Post button at the bottom. If you have multiple profiles on your account, it will ask you if you want to post to other profiles. Just hit Skip at the bottom. And there you go. Our post is complete. Now, everyone who sees the Google business profile will see the discount and the nice big 50% off promotion. Good luck making your own post.